Hey there! In this video, we will talk about setting contact fields in TextPeak. You will learn how to use contact fields in your message templates, enable or disable standard contact fields, add or delete additional details, and preview your contact fields. By setting contact fields, you define which details can be mapped to TextPeak when you upload a file with contacts. If you want to learn more about managing contacts, follow the link. Contact fields also help you to personalize your sent messages. When you create a message template, you can add tags, and the respective data will pull from your contact list. For example, you can add the receiver's first name, and this will make your message unique. You can find the needed settings on the Contact Fields tab. The Standard Details block displays the most commonly used contact details. Using the toggles, you can enable or disable these fields, except for the mandatory phone field. In the Additional Details section, you can add any custom field, and specify its name and type text or number. Later, when you import a contact file, you will be able to assign the newly created field to a column in your file. After all the needed fields are added, check below in the Preview Contact Fields section to see how the information will be displayed in your contact list. That's it. Good luck!